Welcome. Introduce yourself. Who are you and what did you do here today? You gave a session, but...
Yeah, true. Thank you so much. So I'm Afra. I work as a data and AI specialist at Microsoft. And today I delivered a session about Microsoft Fabric.
Microsoft Fabric, yeah. Yes. And I know you are fully into Microsoft Fabric because in the next SDN Magazine, an article of Afra is in it about Fabric. So, okay, explain. You did a session here. They are all nerds, all technology, and you are also a technologist or
yeah,
a
I think
coder?
I can call myself a specialist.
Yeah.
So it's not that I'm a coder, but I love technology and I love what technology can do. So I'm a person who I love to understand and make it understand the technology with use cases. I'm kind of in between. So
okay.
I love the technical part of it as well, but also the human side and the business side of it as well.
Yeah,
I'm kind of in between.
Like it should be, because eventually technology should support something in the business, and technology coders should perform it but not overdo it.
Yeah, so absolutely.
And that's and then you need the man in the middle, the woman in the middle to keep it into
absolutely. A nice way to say it. I definitely love that spot in the middle.
Yeah. I can understand that, and there's a big spot to fill. There's a gap.
Yeah,
I know. What was your session about? It was about Azure Fabric, about data science, and what? Can you explain a little bit more?
Yeah. So what I did is I explained a bit about Microsoft Fabric, what it is, and we went to the portfolio of Microsoft Fabric and then the capabilities. So what does Microsoft Fabric? What can it do for your data? And then we went through a few demos to showcase within the Fabric environment on the technical side. So how you import raw data, how you do the processing on it, and how you can get a desired outcome, which will be, for example, very useful for your any decision making, or you can get some valuable insight for your business, for your company. So that's what I've actually showcased today. So the mindset behind Microsoft Fabric is it's one product. So normally data engineers, data analysts, or data scientists, they work with different products, so they experience things in a different way as a data professional. So they use different products, they do different things, and but Microsoft Fabric is an environment where all those professionals can come together and use the same data lake. Yeah. And also collaborate with each other, because it's not far away from each other. It is a different experience. It is a different way of working, different personas. But at the end, there must be a collaboration between them to get the desired outcome from the data, the raw data. Okay. And that's where Microsoft Fabric comes in, because it's kind of a really nice platform as a one product where you can come in and work all those professionals who are who are doing different things can come in and use the same one lake, for example. So it's the same data, but they do different things.
So they look at the same stuff and
do different things with it.
Yeah, and
without any data duplication, because that's a perfect thing to have. And at the end, it also gives you the ability to virtualize your data in every in important stages, like every stage of Fabric, basically. So it is a one product which is making it efficient for every persona in terms of the data.
Nice. So and you are on a daily basis busy with Azure Fabric.
Yeah, so
at customers?
yeah, I'm doing some demos on Microsoft Fabric and OpenAI. I have right now customers, cities and regions mostly, so municipalities and healthcare customers.
Yeah.
So I'm basically in talk with them on like doing demos, showcasing what like some useful use cases which might be handy for them to get to know. Yeah, so in that way.
And what is your background? Is it a technology background?
No,
or
absolutely not.
Okay.
I'm a self-made data and AI specialist.
Okay, cool.
No, yeah, I studied international business and languages.
Okay.
So I did like the business and I did languages. So I did Spanish culture and language, English culture and language, and what else? German culture and language.
German,
not,
okay.
Not Dutch. So yeah, it's basically something else. So I have a marketing advertising background.
Okay.
And when I started like over 6 years ago at Microsoft, and I decided to invest in this in Azure.
Okay. Yeah.
In terms of technology, I loved it, and I did different roles, and I actually made sure that I'm growing in the way that I would like to see myself. And yeah.
And 6 years later,
I'm
this
here.
is
Yeah.
this is where you are now.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So your background was not in technology, but you are now a super duper technology woman.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. I love it. Great. Within Microsoft, you are one of the many data specialists, AI specialists, or because AI is something very important within Microsoft, I think, at this moment. So there you have a lot of colleagues, or
yeah, absolutely. So we have the apps and infra specialists and data and AI specialists within Microsoft, and because I'm speaking the Dutch as well, so I'm born and raised in the Netherlands. I'm from Rotterdam, by the way. I have to mention that. So that's why I work for the Dutch market. But I'm working in Dublin, so it's a European location headquarter of Microsoft. So we have for every market we have a data and AI specialist.
And you're
not only one.
No.
By the way.
And you're for the Dutch environment.
For the Dutch one. Yeah.
From your corporate office is in Dublin.
In Dublin, but I do, because I work for the Dutch market. I work with my Dutch colleagues in the subsidiary here in the Netherlands. We are basically working on daily basis together. Yeah.
And what is your next step for you to learn? Because I think you are a quick learner and you want to grow further. So keeping in the data and AI, or exploring it more further?
Yeah, I definitely want to stay with data and AI, because there's so much to explore for me, and it's changing every day. So like every day you hear new things and you have to keep up with everything. So it is changing and evolving in a very fast way, and that keeps me busy as well.
Yeah, I hope so.
So I learn every day. So I think I would like to continue on this side of the business. And get a bit more technical in other clouds as well, not only the Azure side, but also with the other clouds. So I will definitely invest more on that, and then see if I still want to stay in the middle, or if I want to go to the technical side of it.
You never know. You never know.
But I think I will stay in the middle, but I will definitely invest much more. What I'm interested right now, I would like to see how I can contribute to tech for social impact. That's that's definitely very close to my heart. I will find a way to be part of that.
That's a big, I love it. Keep up.
Thank you.
Another thing I wanted to ask, and it's you are in healthcare, and healthcare is a very precious and very privacy sensitive data in general. And how do you combine that with AI? Is that difficult to combine, or is that easy? The privacy part of it, is that What is your opinion about that?
Yeah, like because it's sensitive data, like it's difficult for healthcare customers to take that step because it's all new and still in a discovery stage for a lot of hospitals and a lot of healthcare customers. So yeah, it is not an easy thing, but everyone is interested. I think what I love about us in the Netherlands is we're all early adopters. Even like if it's healthcare, even it's like something that goes very slowly because there are more things to look at in terms of sensitivity and other stuff. But still, they're super interested. So
probably somewhere in the near future, AI will be more in.
I think it will. It will have to gain the trust with time, trying out and see how it works, and then it will be probably implemented much more.
Just like a couple of other speakers told us during the sessions, you must not rely too much on the results. You have to verify and be sure that what the AI or the data is saying, you need to verify that. So
definitely,
and
because it's early stage already, and it will be probably the same.
Probably
for the upcoming.
It will go fast, but not too fast.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for
so
being
much.
here. Thank you for writing the article, for being here and at the conference. And perhaps we'll see you in the next session or in the next conference. I hope so. And perhaps also for the SDNcast. Like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you.